Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana (PMUY) was launched by which ministry? Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana to promote women's self-employment and entrepreneurship? Bihar. What is the name of the massive plan launched by Tirupati Urban Development Authority (TUDA) to rescue and rejuvenate the Swarnamukhi River? Operation Swarna. Which Indian state is the host of inaugural Sunrise Festival? Arunachal Pradesh. Which city topped the list of million-plus population cities in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2025? Indore. Langkhun is a harvest festival mainly celebrated by which tribe in Assam? Tiva. Which day is celebrated as World Bamboo Day every year? September 18. The Gusadi dance is a traditional dance of which tribe? Rajgond. Which two ministries have jointly launched the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar Abhiyan (SNSPA)? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Women and Child Development. The Solar Orbiter mission is a joint mission conducted by which two space agencies? ESA, NASA. Lunar Polar Exploration (LOPEX) program is jointly developed by which two space agencies? JAXA and ISRO. Which organization has released the National Annual Report and Index on Women's Safety 2025? National Commission for Women. The Karam Festival 2025 was celebrated on which day? September 3. Where was the 18th International Earth Science Olympiad IESO 2025 held? China. According to recent study, which state has the lowest density of rosewood tree population in South India? Tamil Nadu. Who has been honored with Professor V.K. Gokak Award 2025? Anand V. Patil. Which state UT launched the Vishram Grih pilot project to provide rest facilities for patient attendance? Delhi. Which country has unveiled the JL-1 air-launched ballistic eminis ALBM, a nuclear-capable weapon? China. Which institute has launched the AI-based mental health and wellness program Never Alone? AIIMS Delhi. What is Dioscorea balakrishnanii that was recently discovered in Kerala? Edible tuber. INS Kadmath recently participated in which country's 50th independence celebrations? Papua New Guinea. Which organization launched SPREE 2025 and Amnesty Scheme 2025 to strengthen social security and ease compliance? Employees State Insurance Corporation. Which organization developed India's first indigenous multi-stage malaria vaccine, Adfalsivax? Indian Council of Medical Research. Hellfire missile was developed by which country? United States. A new species of bent-toed gecko named Cytodactylus vanarakshaka has been discovered in which northeastern state? Assam. Exercise Siom Prahar was conducted in which state by the Indian Army? Arunachal Pradesh. National Celiac Disease Awareness Day is observed annually on which day? September 13. The Mokama Munger Greenfield Highway project is being developed in which state? Bihar. A rare scarlet dragonfly was recently spotted in which part of India? Munnar, Kerala. Which mobile platform was used by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare to send AI-based monsoon forecasts to farmers? M-Kisan. A new freshwater fish species named Gara nambhanshiensis was recently discovered in which northeastern state? Manipur. Where was National Agriculture Conference Rabi Campaign 2025 held? New Delhi. Carlsberg Ridge that was recently seen in news is located in which ocean? Indian Ocean.
Thanks for watching. Comment your score. For more such like videos, please like, share, and subscribe.